In this video, I will show you how to fix black border on laptop screen. So if you do have a black border around your laptop screen, then what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system. Then what you need to do is click onto display. Once you're in your display window, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the scale and layout section. And next to scale, you want to click onto the drop down box and make sure this is set to the recommended scale. For myself, you can see that's 125%. Then what you need to do is come down to display resolution, which is the one underneath. And again, double check and make sure this is set to the recommended resolution. Then what you need to do is come down to related settings and click onto advanced display. In here, what you need to do is come up to the top and make sure you've got your display selected. And then what you need to do is come down to the display adapter properties. So just down here, you can see the blue link. Give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up the properties window like this. And in here, you want to come up to the top and click onto the monitor tab. Now in here, there should be a option for the refresh rate. And what you want to do is set that to the highest number of hertz, HZ. Once that's done, click apply and OK. But if you don't see that there, generally it's going to be on this window here. If you actually come down, you can see it says choose a refresh rate. What you want to do is click onto the drop down box and make sure the highest refresh rate is selected. So for myself, you can see the highest number is 144 hertz, so I've got that one selected. For you, it might be different, but you just want to select the highest one. Once that's done, that should effectively remove the black border around your laptop screen, and that is how to remove a black border from your laptop screen. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.